Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick one. Have you ever noticed that whenever you're driving your car, sometimes it feels like as if it's dragging, like it feels like it's slow even though you're pushing hard on the accelerator pedal? There's a trick to this. This is actually a known issue in all Mercedes-Benz. And to fix this, I'm going to show you how. So what you're going to do when you notice this, turn on your car to the on position, just at the point where all the lights are showing, like this. Then push down on your pedal. Floor your pedal all the way down for like at least 10 seconds. Hold it down for at least 10 seconds. Alright. Once it's 10 seconds, or at least more than 10 seconds, it can be 20 seconds, but at least make sure you're up to 10 seconds. Then turn off your car while holding down on the pedal. Alright. Then you can now release the pedal. Then turn on your car until it starts. Then take your car for a spin and you will notice the difference. Your car will be flying like a jet. I would like to hear your experience on the comment section. If you try this, let me know what happened. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.